All right, guys, math chat number 30. Again, going to go through each one of these concepts with you, explain it to you a little bit, and then let you guys work on solving it independently. Algebraic thinking, you are going to be using the order of operations. And remember, the order of operations, I'll put a note down in the bottom for you guys right here. The order of operations is, please excuse my dear Aunt Sally, or PEMDAS, which means you're going to use parentheses first, then you're going to do exponents, then you're going to do multiplication, then division, then addition, and finally subtraction. That's the order you are going to use to solve all of these multi-step problems here. I'll start with one for you guys. I'll do this one right here. Again, I'm going to start with parentheses. So parentheses 6 times 3 is going to be 18. I guess I can do that on my whiteboard. So I have 30, oops, there we go, 30 divided by, what was it? 30 divided by 3 plus 6 times 18. Sorry for this bad penmanship, guys. It's hard to do it with my mouse. Oops, not 6 times 18, 6 times 3. All right, I'm going to start by doing the part of my parentheses first. So that 6 times 3 is going to get me 18. Okay, bring down my 30, my divide sign, 3 plus. Now I know with my order of operations, I need to do 30 divided by 3 first because division comes before addition in my order of operations. Division before addition. Okay, 30 divided by 3 is going to get me 10. Bring down my plus 18. 10 plus 18 is going to get me 28. So I'm going to put that answer down right here for you guys. 28. Okay. Down here for base 10 numbers, you are going to be multiplying decimals by base 10 values using exponents. I will do this one right here for you guys, 4.6 times 10 to the second power. So I'm going to move my whiteboard over. Okay. I'm going to do 4.6 times 10 to the second. Okay. Now remember that this exponent up here is my bossy little number. And when I'm multiplying, I am moving my decimal to the right because my answer is what my number is going to be getting bigger. And I'm moving it to the right however many times my bossy little number is telling me to. So if it's one decimal right here, I'm going to move it over to the right 2 times. Once, twice. And in that missing value, that missing little loop-de-loop right there, I need to add 0. So my new answer is going to be 460, then a decimal, 0. Okay, so I moved it over 2 times. So I'm going to have an answer right here, 460.0. And it says, what happens to the decimal point when you multiply decimal by a power of 10? What happens? Are you moving it to the left, to the right? Is it getting bigger? Is it getting smaller? I want you to explain that work to me right here, or that concept. Down here for fractions, you are going to be adding and subtracting fractions and mixed numbers with unlike denominators. We've done a lot of review on that. We're going to do butterfly method. And for this one, you're going to convert this mixed number to an improper fraction first, then butterfly it out. Down here for measurement and data, it says determine the total time spent outside by all children. So this is the number of hours spent outside by kids. So let's say 2 kids spent a quarter hour outside. 2 quarter hours is the same as 1/2 hour. So basically you're going to need to add up all of these values that are represented on this scatter plot. Down here, geometry, you need to determine that each statement is true or false and explain your answer. A triangle can have more than one right angle, true or false. A square is a specific type of parallelogram, true or false, and explain. I did add in this assignment, boys and girls, I did add some geometry links here that will hopefully help you out to answer that bottom question. those bottom questions, I'm sorry. If you have any questions, don't be afraid to reach out. This stuff can be a little tricky, but I'm excited to see your work. Take care and good luck.